Want to get a bath?
If you stop fighting, I'll give you a treat.
The little kid tugging on their mom's pants.
Put your butt on the floor.
Oh!
All right, then.
I said don't get comfortable. Get out.
Rocky, what are you doing up there? Man, Rocky's on the table again. He won't get down.
It was just natural to him, so my husband calls him our 70-pound rat. Dodgers is at the animal shelter.
All right, it's time. Let's do it. Time to clip those nails.
She would just freak out, run this way,